Thank you for stopping by our dining room for Eigagulei in Garifuna. And first up in our dining room is chair. Chair in Garifuna is Halau. Halau. Next, we have table. Table in Garifuna is Dabula. Dabula. Next, we have glass cup. Glass cup in Garifuna is Weru. Weru. Next, we have cup. Cup in Garifuna is Copu. Copu. And then we have fork. Fork in Garifuna is Figiedu. Figiedu. Then we have knife. Knife in Garifuna is Gusinu. Gusinu. Always remember the N with the tilde is pronounced as a Y. Then we have spoon. Spoon in Garifuna is Gulieru. Gulieru. And next we have plate. Plate in Garifuna is Asiedu. Asiedu. See you in the next time for the bedroom. So then, Reme, ayo.